Okay, today already I completed the one lesson, one poem. So you might have understood poem and lesson also. Today my grammar using may and can. Using may and can. Listen carefully. Again, don't ask what is this, what is that. Listen carefully. Okay. Can shows the ability. Can shows the ability. Cannot shows the inability. Inability. Okay. So John can drive. John can drive a car. This is the ability or inability? Ability. John cannot drive a car. Here it shows inability. Inability. Can, informal way. Can is the informal. Can I go? Can I go home? Teacher, this is the asking, can I go home? Here, that is not a formal way, not request one. So, can I go home? Teacher will say, you may go. You can go. You can go. So, can shows the ability. I can do the work. I can carry. I can lift the heavy basket. Like that, can shows the ability, cannot shows the inability. Cannot shows the inability. For example, I give can you fix the light? Can you fix the light in bathroom? Can you fix the light in bathroom? Is it an ability or inability? Ability. Can I? Not permission. I can. Can I fix the light in bathroom? So, when we use the can, you have to remember that is the informal way. Can shows the ability. I can do. It shows the ability. Cannot show the inability. So, whereas, how to use the may? May. May, this is the formal way. This is the formal way. May shows the request or permission. Or permission. This is the formal way. How? May I take the leave? May I take leave? Requesting. May I take leave? May I go? May I use your bottle? Your water bottle? Your water bottle? This is the permission, taking the permission. May I use? Requesting. May I use? May I take leave? May I go? May I leave the class now? All will shows the permission. Sometimes permission, and it shows the possibility also. Possibility. For example, may shows the permission and request. Sometimes it shows the possibility. Possibility. It is cloudy. It is cloudy. Now the weather is cloudy. How? What will say? What will say? Are you going to say it is raining? It is raining. What will say by seeing the clouds? It may rain. It may rain. it may rain. So here may shows the possibility. There is a chance to rain. There is a chance. So possibility. If you throw a stick or stone on dog or snake, what will happen? What will happen? It may bite. There is a possibility. If you won't throw, it won't attack. If you throw, it will attack. It will bite. It may, possibility is there. So may shows the request and permission. Sometimes it shows the possibility. So can shows the ability, that is the informal way. May shows the request and permission, and also it shows the possibility. So you have to remember how to use the can and then may. So I'll give you some homework, you do. So in the textbook also you have choose the correct answers are there. So which is the taking the permission, 3 are there, which is the possibility, and which is the and giving the permission. Giving the permission. Here, may I go? Yes. You may go? Yes. May I leave? Yes. So you have to think and write, and some blanks also there, ma. You have to write using may, expressing possibility or taking permission and giving permission, or some more there. That exercise you do in the textbook itself. Okay. Now what I am giving, you have to write in the classwork. You have to get the answers from you. How to write and show the answers through your personal number. Okay, ma? Now I'll give some homework. You have to write, this is the possibility or taking permission or giving permission in the brackets. Okay. By seeing the question, you write these 3. Taking permission or giving permission, there is a possibility. Okay. May I borrow your binoculars? Is this the taking or giving or possibility? May I use your textbook? This is also that. Then if you throw a stick, what will happen? 3 I told no. Giving permission and taking permission and then possibility. So you have to write in these 3 which is the correct answer. Write in the bracket. Okay, ma? So your homework, you have to write the answers in the textbook page at 10. Choose the correct answers are there. You have to read the question and write the correct answer. Put right mark. Then like that only page at 11, exercise 2, they are given the 5 answers are there. In the bracket, with the help of that, you have to write the correct answer. In the bracket, they given the taking permission and giving permission and expressing possibility. How to write. Okay. How to go through that answers. So using can is the informal way. May is the formal way, and it shows the 3. Number 1 is the taking permission and giving permission and expressing possibility also. So may, can shows the ability, and may shows the permission and giving permission and then taking the possibility. So be careful and remember all these grammar part. Again, don't say I didn't understand. I said it slowly only. I taught you, then can and may where we help you to be careful. Okay, ma? Have a nice day.